Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouthwater, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing Sauce.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making a candy cane croissant. All you're going to need today for our ingredients is strawberry jam and also an 8-ounce can of croissants. Okay guys, I've measured out a cup of the strawberry jam. Next you want to get you a baking tray and then a sheet of parchment paper and lay that right onto your tray. Now we're going to open our croissants. Okay guys, all you wanted to do was go ahead and unroll your crescent rolls and get them into a shape of the candy cane. Next, you want to just take your jam, and all we're going to do is start to put it down and around your crescent dough. All you want to do is just come straight around all the way down. Okay guys, once you have all your jam onto your crescent rolls, all you want to do is take the crescent roll, roll it over, and tuck it under. And you do that all the way around. Okay guys, as you can see, it looks just like a candy cane. So now you want to heat your oven to 375 degrees. Also, the instructions always say to cook croissants 9 to 12 minutes. You may want to cook it just a little bit longer because of the filling. So I say about maybe 15 minutes. Okay guys, our candy cane croissant is now done. If you want, you guys can also add a little bit of powdered sugar over it. That's optional. You don't have to, but I think it makes it look prettier. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back again. Please like and subscribe. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.